Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will listen to a story about Pup, Panda, and friends. Let's go. Pup, Panda, and friends. Pack even more for vacation. Written and illustrated by Susan Grutzmacher. Hi, Panda. Who is this? Hi, Pup. This is a family. Hey, Jellyfish. When does the family go on vacation? Hi, Newt. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Newt, the family goes on vacation in July and August. The family does not go to the mountains. The family does not go to the city. The family goes to the sea. The family does not sleep in an apartment. The family sleeps in a hotel. Hey, we go on vacation by bus. How does the family go on vacation? The family does not go by plane. The family does not go by train. The family goes by car. Hi, Kangaroo. How many days does the family stay on vacation? Hey, Goat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The family stays on vacation 10 days. It's not foggy on vacation. It's not windy on vacation. It's not rainy on vacation. It's hot and sunny on vacation. Look, a suitcase. What does the family pack? Hey, Hippo. What does the family pack? Hi, Newt. The family packs sunglasses. Hi, Ladybug. What does the family pack? Hi, Cat. The family packs sun cream. Hi, Mouse. What does the family pack? Hi, Fish. The family packs a hat. Hello, Bat. What does the family pack? Hi, jellyfish. The family packs a beach towel. Hello, Kangaroo. What does the family pack? Hi, Goat. The family packs flip-flops. Hey, what do you pack for vacation? Sunglasses, sun cream, a hat, a beach towel, flip-flops. I pack Thanks for listening to the story. What do you pack for vacation? Send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.